Hey yo, what's good, team? Run It Up. So we are back with another video. Check this out. This is no joke. This is not clickbait. Car crash during Instacart, but it wasn't me. It was my boy. It was my homeboy. I don't know what time it is. I'm late. I'm about to go out and start doing some Instacart. But what we're gonna do is we're gonna run it up, and I'm waiting for him to send me the footage. He said he got the dash cam footage, so he's gonna send me the dash cam footage, and we're gonna take a look at what happened when he fell asleep behind the wheel. Yes, I said fell asleep doing Instacart late night the other night. He fell asleep and ran right into a car. So he's gonna send me the dash cam footage. No one got seriously injured, so I think I'm able to show this. You know, it's just a bang. It's just he wrecked his car. But for now, we're gonna run it up. Day in the life, you already know what we doing. And yeah, just stay tuned, watch the whole video, and whenever he sends me that dash cam footage, I'm gonna put it in.
Calm down, nah, here I go. I've been shooting up the screen.
Somebody left the trunk open with a dog in it. Oh no, this is not good. I'm gonna wait here until your owner comes. Okay, I'm trying to help you while I'm looking for a batch. I should just close the trunk, right? I think I should just close the trunk. I don't know, but this is not my car, so I don't want to touch it. Just don't eat me, okay? Excuse me, sir. Excuse me, sir. You left the dog in your car, and your trunk is open.
The trunk is open?
The trunk is open with the dog in the car. Good morning, team. Run it up. The grind does never end. The grind never ends. We are here and we are late this morning. I was gonna wait for a Costco drop to do my first batch, but I said, hey, what the heck? I got a 28 a couple of miles away. This is nothing. Easy order. Good morning, time to get it. You already know, we at the store. Let's get it. Yep. What's up? We here, and I just got a batch, so I'm out of here. I'll see you in a little bit. $25, 16 items, and I've been waiting for a second, but it's all good. We still running it up. Let's go in here and get it. Oh snap, I just scared that lady putting the trunks in her car. I yelled, let's get it, and she like jumped. You guys didn't see it. Sorry, lady. Yo fam, this one was so easy, so quick. Like, actually, I like this order, and I want orders like this all day. Please give me orders like this all day. Yeah, I want orders like this all day, please. This is easy. $25. I forget how many items I said. Did I say 16 items? I think it was, yeah, $25, 16 items. 16 or 18, I don't know. I forgot already, but that's cool because this is super easy.
Hold on, wait a minute, now I'm strapped in. I done seen the light, so grab a camera for the action. Learn to play the hand I was dealt in my advantage. When the card's in my hand, every move is a...
Do you guys like when I talk faster? Because if I talk faster, maybe I can get the point out faster and you guys can get what I'm trying to say really quick and you guys don't have to wait around. Comment down below if you like when I talk faster, because I can keep talking like this if you guys want me to. Or do you like when I talk slow? I don't know, maybe this helps you learn better because you hear me clearer and you can just take in everything I say. So let me know in the comments down below if you like when I talk fast or you like when I talk slow. There goes Bella. Say something, Bella. Say something. We just seen you walking by. Hey. Alright, fam. So we just got a 32. But it's 9 miles, so I'm not that happy about it. 9 miles. 9 millas. And yeah, I'm not that happy about this because I just don't like driving more than 7 miles, to be honest. I just don't like driving that far. So yeah, it's 18-minute drive. 20 items though, so that's cool. Yeah, $32. Let's get it. Let's run it up. You already know. Kind of slow today. That's because I'm cherry picking today. That's why it's a little slow. There was other orders, but I didn't take them. But let's get it. All right, fam. So we're back at the store. I swiped the 35 9 miles. And that last order, garbage. Because of the refunds. Oh my gosh. But anyways, back at the store. Swiped the $35 9 miles. About to crush it. Let's get it. Team, run it up. I stopped kind of early, but I got the footage. I'm about to show you guys the footage, and I'm gonna show you what his car looks like after. You guys, if you get tired, just go home, wrap it up. Do not drive tired. Do not do this because accidents can happen. This is serious. I'm glad nobody got hurt, and I'm glad my boy gave me the footage to show you guys. You know, but I'm not gonna put his name in it. I don't know what type of legal stuff he's going through right now, but he let me show you guys the footage. Oh, by the way, I had to mute some of the footage because there's music playing in the background, which is copywritten. So I don't want the video get taken down because of copyright music. So I muted the part where he's just driving, and then I put the volume on right at the collision, and then I muted it again. All right, so check it out.
I ain't here to make friends, I just need to make amends. Yeah, the odds stacked against me, I'm just here to break the trends. Bring them weapons in, since my melanin got them.